OpenAI just released their latest model, GPT-4o, and the O stands for Omni Model, voice plus text plus vision at the same time. Now you're gonna wanna see this. The demo is pretty cool.
What equation did I write down there?
You wrote down 3x plus 1 equals 4.
So what's the first step I should take to try to solve this?
The first step is to get all the terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side.
Okay, I'm gonna try to subtract 1 from both sides and then I'll see what I get.
Great idea. Perfect. Now, what do you get when you subtract 1 from both sides?
You can see the AI is responding in real time with very little lag, and it sounds more natural to speak with, less like a robot software and more like a companion. To me, this gets us much closer to the Jarvis-like state, and that's what I want, where you can show it things and have a conversation with it, and it will really feel like you're talking to an assistant. Now, immediately when you watch this, you can imagine it being an amazing tutor for kids. This is gonna completely change the way learning works. You can also picture it helping with physical, real-world problems where you need voice instructions. Fixing a tire, how much do I tip, how do I cook this chicken? All those will be super easy with this. Now the rumor was that OpenAI was going to talk about their recent deal with Apple and that they were going to showcase this cool voice AI using it in Siri. They didn't comment on it, but you can bet this is going directly into Siri as soon as possible. GPT-4o is going to be rolling out over the next few weeks to both paid and free users. And this is one that even if you don't really use ChatGPT, I would make sure to try this. It's pretty cool. Stay tuned for more updates like this. I'll keep you posted on the latest things happening in AI and how you can use them in your daily life.